Think Bitcoin is completely anonymous? You're not alone, but it's a bit more complicated than that. In this episode of Block and Learn, we're breaking down the truth about privacy and anonymity in the Bitcoin world, simply and clearly. You can also check the links in the video description for extra learning tools and tips. A lot of people believe using Bitcoin means no one can track you, like using digital cash that leaves no trail. But in reality, Bitcoin is only pseudo-anonymous. Every single Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Anyone, anywhere, can see every transaction ever made, how much was sent, and from which wallet address to which. But here's the catch. Wallet addresses aren't tied to names. So unless someone knows who owns a wallet, it looks anonymous. But if your identity is ever linked to your wallet, through an exchange for example, your entire transaction history becomes visible. So, using crypto exchanges that require ID verification, well, that can link your identity to your Bitcoin. Reusing wallet addresses across different transactions is another way your privacy can slip. And if you send funds to known entities, like online shops or public wallets, that's another breadcrumb. All these little clues can be pieced together by analysts, law enforcement, or honestly, even just curious people online. Now, there are actually some tools and practices you can use to increase your privacy. For example, using coin mixing or coin joins can really help obscure your transaction path. Switching wallets regularly is a good habit too. You could also use privacy-focused wallets that don't reuse addresses, which is super helpful. And instead of centralized exchanges, try using peer-to-peer networks. But just a heads up, Bitcoin really wasn't designed for privacy. Other cryptocurrencies like Monero or Zcash totally were. So, is Bitcoin anonymous? Not really. But with the right tools, it can be private enough for a lot of use cases. Just remember, it's actually more transparent than most people think. If this cleared things up, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more easy-to-follow Bitcoin videos every single week.